Welcome back to your learning journey in the statistics and probability for data science. My name is Murthy and this is the video number 2 in this statistics and the probability data science learning journey. So as we proceed in this video, we are going to learn about the statistical analysis and what does it mean by descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. So let's start by understanding the definition of the statistical analysis and why does it matter. See, when I talk about the statistical analysis or statistics, it's a process of collecting the data, analyzing the data so that we can identify the patterns, trends, remove the bias, as well as inform decision making. Now, this statistical analysis is going to help the business in a lot of ways. It will help the business to identify what is happening with their business. For example, what are the top selling products in their company? What are the bottom selling products in their company? Who are all the top performers in the company? And it will help them to understand the various as is aspects of the given data set. So here, by performing these kind of analysis, it will actually help the business to dig deeper into the additional information which is not available when they simply look into the data set. So overall, we perform the statistical analysis on a given business data so that we can have a better understanding of various aspects of the business. Now, when we talk about the statistical analysis, in case of statistical analysis, there are actually two types. First type is descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. When I talk about this descriptive statistics, it's what the organizations use to summarize their data. Now, this type typically involves the summary chart, graphs, as well as tables, which depicts the data for the easier understanding rather than relying on the raw and the unformatted data. Now here, when we talk about this descriptive statistics, some of the key descriptive statistics which we'll be learning and which is most important are mean, median, mode. We also have range and standard deviation, variance. So these are the various statistics which comes under the descriptive statistics. Remember, these descriptive statistics will help us to describe the data. It is not meant for us to draw the conclusions from the data set. And the other type of statistical analysis that we have got is inferential statistics. So this inferential statistics, it actually helps us to take the data from a representative sample and then use it to further draw the larger truth. So what this is going to help us is, as a business, it will help us to extrapolate our analysis beyond the given data set. So I can say this inferential statistics, it's a one step further from the descriptive statistics. Here, in the scenario of this inferential statistics, it relies heavily on finding the representative as close to the possible population data. In the scenario of this inferential statistics, some of the common forms are estimates, confidence interval, credible intervals. So these are the various statistics that we'll be using in order to infer from the sample to the entire population. All right. Now coming to our data science. See, whenever we are working with our data set, we use both descriptive statistics as well as the inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics helps us to summarize what is happening with the data set. For example, if I have been given with the diabetes data for the person who is suffering from diabetes, this will be his average weight. Now here, the term average is actually my descriptive statistics. And once I have this analysis done on that given data set, I'm going to generalize it to the entire population. And that is what we call it as an inferential statistics. And even in the scenario of machine learning as well, when we build the model, that's the model that I have built using the sample data. Now I'm going to generalize that model for the entire population. You can clearly observe the relationship of statistics and the machine learning, how close they move together. Alright, so with this, we come to the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to go in depth about the descriptive statistics and its relationship in data science. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're interested, do check out our premium course on statistics and probability on data science, which contains 25 plus hands-on project. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.